Here's another U101 lesson from Fox 12 and Peace Health Southwest Medical Center.
It's probably the biggest change any woman can have in her life, having a baby. To ensure you're taking the right steps, consider joining a group like the Pondering Pregnancy classes at Peace Health Southwest Medical Center.
It's important to establish care with your doctor before you get pregnant. That way you can increase the chances both mom and baby will be healthy through the pregnancy.
By connecting with a doctor early, women can ensure that they're getting the right information about what and how much they should be eating, facts about supplements, folic acid, and prenatal vitamins.
My recommendation is that all women of reproductive age should be taking prenatal vitamins with folic acid, because half of pregnancies are unintended.
Remember, taking the right steps to ensure a healthy pregnancy gives babies a head start on health and gives you a leg up on the toughest job you'll ever love.
U101 is brought to you by Fox 12 and Peace Health Southwest Medical Center.